Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm participating in a challenge collaborated with Sherri for Pretty Simple Sherri and Kristy from Inspired Living with Kristy. They had asked us to share some summer decor, summer haul, all sorts of stuff. I will have the playlist linked down below. So in today's video I will be sharing with you my summer front porch decor. Now that Canada Day is over, the spring flowers are gone, this is what my summer front porch will look for the rest of the summer until the fall season. So I'm going to start off with my front door, which I am keeping the wreaths on for the summer, are the ones that I had made myself, and I will link the video up in a corner. So for the planters, I am using ferns. They are the hanging baskets that you can pick up at nurseries, and I am just placing it inside my pot, and I cut off the hanging parts. Moving on to my rocking chair and my signs. I had made this cute little sign. I did not make a video, it was just a quick little thing, and I just had a piece of wood left over from a project before, and then I just used chalk to write on it. And my welcome sign, that is a reclaimed piece of flooring that I picked up at a antique store, and I just painted welcome on it. Just a burlap pillow. I think it just ties the whole place in together really well. And I have my little dollar store lavender in a little tin pot, which used to be a citronella candle. Then at the front, I'm just keeping my layered doormats from Hobby Lobby. And then turning over here, I have another pot with a fern. And then in this corner, which is my favorite corner to have morning coffee in, I have my little popsicle summer sign that I had made. I have a DIY video on that, so I will link that in a corner as well. The two accent pillows came from Lowe's, and the chair and a table came from Marshall's. And then I just have a fake fern from dollar store on a dollar store tray with some dollar store candle, and then I have just little twinkling lights inside of that candle holder, and a little lantern that runs on battery that came from Home Depot. So I would like to thank Kristy and Sherri for hosting this challenge. I'm looking forward to the next one. And until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.